Good morning, class 10. Today we have new chapter and that is probability. Probability, this is the new chapter, you can say new branch of mathematics. Many branches of mathematics, algebra, mensuration, trigonometry, geometry, statistics. So this is the new addition to mathematics, probability. So now first you understand what is the meaning of probability. Probability means possibility, anticipation, guess, अंदाजा लगाते हैं. Suppose if you toss a coin, so you can guess either it will be head or tail. But you cannot confirm whether you are getting head or you are getting tail. But you can guess. So this is the simple meaning of probability, possibility. There are two kinds of probability. One is experimental. Also it is called empirical probability. And other is theoretical probability. It is also known as classical probability. In class 9, you must have seen if you toss a coin 1,000 times, 100 times, and if you note how many times you are getting head, suppose if you are getting tossing a coin 100 times, and if after counting you are getting suppose 63 head, suppose, and other will be, you can understand, 37. This is 10. So we should here dismiss the possibility the coin is standing on the edge, either head or tail. So what is the number of heads? You are getting 63. So 63 out of 100. And this will be 37 out of 100. And if you find these values in decimal, you will very close to 0.5 means half. Suppose now second time if you repeat this process, it is not necessary that the number of times head you are getting 63 and number of tails you are getting 37 times. It is not necessary the same observation you will observe. But now suppose now you are getting 40 times head and 60 times tail. So this number of head and number of tail can differ in different times. So this will be 40 by 100 or this will be 0.4 and this will be 60 by 100 and this will be 0.6. So it is based on actual experiment. It is based on actual experiment. But now you are watching here, if 100 times if you toss a coin, and first time you are getting 63 times head, 37 times tail. And next time you are tossing the coin 100 times, you are getting how many times? You are getting 40 times head and 60 times tail. So you watch here, and if you repeat this experiment number of times, so number of head and number of tail you are getting may be different. But if you observe this observation, you will see the sum of these two observations will be 1. Maximum will be 1. So probability, that is called experimental or empirical probability. Theoretical means If I ask you what is the probability of this head and tail, you cannot predict. So prediction is very uncertain, and therefore it is called theoretical probability, and this will come very close to half. So this means now this is the introduction of probability. So probability means possibility of any event. Suppose if you are participating in a race and you can predict, or any other can predict or guess, you can win or lose the game. But this is only prediction. This is not certain. Suppose the sky is overcast, you can guess it may rain or it may not. But this conclusion is drawn on the basis of experiment. So all these things are included in probability. So probability means possibility, and theoretical and experimental. Experimental is just done on the basis of experiment. Class 9, you might have seen tossing the coin or throwing a die. So experimental probability is that which is based on actual experiment, actual action. But if I ask you in this activity, if you are tossing a coin 100 times, how many times you are getting head, how many times you are getting tail? So every time that observation will differ. So, but if I ask you what is the probability, experimental probability of tossing a coin? So you can say that cannot be certain. You can guess, and this very close to 0.5 or 1 by 2. So a theoretical, that is suppose, this is on the basis of actual action, actual activity, and this is very close. So you can see here the sum of all the observation head and tail will be 1. So this is called probability of event, total number of favorable outcome or event, total number of possible outcomes, and the sum of elementary events, sum of probability of event and probability of not event. The sum will be always 1. And this is very important. You can conclude from this formula, probability of event is either equal to 0 or greater than 0, but it may be equal to 1 or less than 1. It means the probability value lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. So these are the formulas, and with the formula you can try to solve the question. Suppose, now I repeat and then I explain a few examples. So probability is a new branch of mathematics. In this branch, this topic, we only learn about the guessing of an event. Number of examples, number of activities you can guess. Suppose if you are participating in a competition, it may guess you can pass and you cannot. Suppose there is a overcast cloud, sky is overcast, it may rain or it may not. And suppose if you are trying to start a car, it may start or not. Many examples, with the help of these, you can understand what is the probability. And for experiment, I have explained, suppose if you are tossing a coin 100 times and you are noting down number of times head is coming and tail is coming. So suppose 63 times and remaining will be tail, because there is only 2 possibilities. And next time if you toss the coin 100 times again, it is not necessary that you will get 63 times head and 37 times tail. So that will be changing. But this is the formula, formula probability of event, total number of probability, possible, favorable outcome. Suppose a coin is tossing, and now you see, suppose 3 red ball, 4 white ball, and 5 black ball. These balls are put in a bag. Put in a bag. Now, if I ask you what is the probability of a red ball, so total number of balls 3 plus 4 plus 5, this will be 12. And number of red ball, you have to find the probability. So this will be number of red ball. Number of red ball is 3. So probability of event. What is the favorable? Favorable is 3. And what is possible? Possible is 12. So this will be 3 by 12. And you will always write the fraction of probability in the lowest term, in the simplest form. So this will be 1 by 4. So my dear students, this is about probability. Very easy question in your book. And one thing you will remember, these formulas or these important points, probability of event and probability of non-event, the sum of these two will be 1. Or in other words, you can say the probability of event is either equal to 0 or greater than 0, but it is either equal to 1 or less than 1. It means the value of probability lies between 0 and 1. And this is the formula, and with this formula you will try to solve all the questions of your book, and you will surely solve. You must have learned some introduction in the previous class 9, and so there should be no any problem in this probability. So this is the chapter 12, probability. Probability means possibility, guessing, conjecture. We can guess some outcome in some number of activities. So these are the formula, and these are the important points you will remember, and you will try to solve, and I will try to solve with doubts. That's all, and have a nice day.